Tuesday app. Look, cause I just won. Yeah, come on, man. Look, and T-Mobile paid for it. This video, we gonna tell you how I won the grand prize of T-Mobile Tuesdays.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
Download the T-Mobile Tuesdays app. If you have wireless and internet service with T-Mobile, sign in using your phone number, and we'll text an authentication code right to your phone. Don't forget to check your T-Mobile Tuesdays app every week to find epic prizes and amazing deals from brands you love. It's how we say thanks for being a customer.
I won! I won! I finally won something. I've been entering for all of these years, and I finally won. What did I win? $100 Shell gift card. What's up, brother?
Yeah, remember hard nights when we was getting to them figures, yeah. Swear when I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger, yeah. Yeah, remember hard nights when we was getting to them figures, yeah. Swear when I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger, yeah. I can't be let down, no. So if you rockin' or not, we heading straight to the top, yeah. I can't be let down, no.
Hey, brother, it's been a long day. It's been a long day, man. And then can I have 55 on 8? All right. I ain't win the grand prize, but I won the second place grand prize, and there was only 3 slots, and I was in that thing, so I won the grand prize anyway. So look what that says. It says, congrats, you got thanked big time in the T-Mobile Tuesday sweepstakes, and then it gives you a week, and then it tells you what I won. What I won was a $100 Shell gift card. I don't even remember what I entered for. I don't remember what first place was, but I did it, and I got it, and I won, and I'm about to tell y'all how you can win too. So what you do is apply. You enter. A lot of people, so what I wanted to do is go into the store and let some of the representatives and some of the customers that have Metro, because I got Metro, I don't even got T-Mobile. There's millions of people. There are millions of people that have Metro or one of the T-Mobile affiliates. You can have a T-Mobile affiliate and still enter for T-Mobile Tuesdays. You can, look right here. Man, you got all of this different stuff going on that you have access to every Tuesday. So the first thing that you want to do is enter. Get your butt on there first every Tuesday morning. As soon as it comes live, you enter and then enter for your chance to win. I won, maybe you can win too. What's up, John? My man, yes sir. Hey, y'all be entering into the T-Mobile. Y'all got Metro?
Huh?
You got Metro? Look, download the T-Mobile Tuesday app. Look, cause I just won a $100 Shell gift card on the T-Mobile Tuesday app. Because Metro and T-Mobile are kind of the same. If you download the app every Tuesday, you get discounts on like gas, movies, hotels, stuff like that. And sometimes they have a sweepstakes at the bottom, and I just won one of them. You know what I'm talking about? So I got to tell all my people, you know what I'm saying? And we got to enter in there so we can get the money.
All right, thank you, bro.
Yeah, come on, man. Look, and T-Mobile paid for it. Look, so look, and this is why I said I had to come here, because and you guys got the banner on the computer, but when I worked at Metro, brother, we didn't. First of all, it was Metro PCS, so it was before they changed the name, right? But I ain't know nothing about the T-Mobile Tuesday.
Did they have it because it was PCS?
That's right. So they was like hiding the fact that it was T-Mobile still. But when we would go to like the company events, and then you know when the account managers come in, they all work for T-Mobile.
Yeah.
So I was like,
Oh,
man, I don't know.
when the PCS.
Right, man, yeah, even when it was PCS. So I remember downloading it, but I never put my information in. I started putting my information in probably last year. So I said, man, I got to tell these guys so you could tell the customers, man, y'all can win. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look, but then, and not only the $100, but every Tuesday it gives you like discounts on gas. So at Shell, it gives me 15 cents off. So then, you know, if gas is like $4.80, I get 15 cents under that. All right, so look, before you go, this is what I'm gonna need y'all to do. I'm definitely gonna need you to do the YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe, all of the stuff. But definitely watch that other video right there on how if you were self-employed during the pandemic, you may qualify for up to $32,000 from the IRS.